S4, Majorate Leader Jasmine Talagta, DLC Leader Chan Francis Francia, MAPI Company Commander Eugene Magalona, Company EXO Michael Triumphante, First Platoon Leader Boys Jomar Lauta Jr., Second Platoon Leader Girls Ira Lastrolio, Principal Maria Mercy Iscoro, MAPI Facilitator Oliver Reginaldo and Chan Ryan Tino, Majorate Coordinator Raisa Nika and Landong, Joby Choi Mamansa, DLC Coordinator Rosalyn Montejo, Maria Valerie San Juan, and Janes Arevalo. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 4 from San Roque High School, Alice Sabanuan Sang Batu, Camarines.